Hello and welcome to HTML5 QuickStart. This is Tutorial 5, HTML5 Dynamic List. Here's what the dynamic list will look like when we get it done. What it is, it's a series of words that you can roll your mouse over, and when you roll your mouse over them, the font becomes larger, and the little circle on the left changes into a little box. These are like links that can be on your web page. And of course, what you see is a new template up here that was taken from GIMP. Okay, let's see how we do this. What we have here, what we've added is an unordered list called UL, unordered list. This is the opening tag for the unordered list. Down here is the closing tag for the unordered list. In between these two tags is what's called the unordered list element. And that's the four things you see here. Here's the name of them: home, education, experience, and contact. That's what you see out here. What's inside this is an anchor, A for anchor, which is really a hyperlink. And this is the hyperlink reference is equal to home. Well, I put a pound sign in front of every one of these links so that they wouldn't go anywhere when you click on them. This is just for an example. Now, if the link were actually to go to somewhere, say another web page, what you would do is that inside these quotation marks here, you would put the URL of where you wanted this to go. Basically what it is, here's the opening tag, which is A for the anchor, and that's the end of the opening tag. And then here's the closing tag for the anchor. So inside of every one of these list items, here's a list item opening tag, a list item closing tag, is the anchor, which is actually a hyperlink. There's the opening tag for it right here, and here's the closing tag for it. Now, when I do this, what I can do is I can come up here for list item, and here's my list item right here. For every one of these list items, when I hover over it, I'm going to change the font size by 120%. And the list style type is now going to be a square. So this is a list item, which corresponds to these. And this is a colon, and then it says Hoover. I don't put the pound sign in front of this because I didn't use any ID in here. I just used the name of the tag. So what happens is that when I roll my mouse over here, these become larger, and then they also change from a little circle to a box. Okay, so that's the main change. Up here we still have the graphic that we had before. Okay, let's look and see what's next. This is just to show that everything on the top, this is the top of the document now, is the same. We haven't really changed anything. I've changed the background color to silver and the foreground color to black, but that's about it. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.